matter. You guys have friends to play, and we give that friends to play. And then now I need iReady. I need a support on iReady. If you guys not doing anything on iReady, then let's do it. If no iReady, then we'll be done. You guys ungrounded, but priority is finish the iReady. I need 2 hours straight in iReady. Is there 2 hours straight on iReady? How much hours you do in iReady?
I do one.
Then 2 hours in iReady too. It's how many hours you do in iReady? That's the equivalent you do on your iPad.
Okay.
Ay, okay. Thank you, Chai. Malapit ng pasukan. So, yeah. Sige, magluto ko muna. Thank you. Salamat sa tambay mo, Chai. Thank you, Des.
I would roll on the other side.
Yay!
Okay, you do your iReady. You start, it's 2:51. You, how many finish your iReady? Focus.
Hey, Mom, want boba?
Okay.
Okay, Chapel.
Why you close the door? Open the door. Thank you. Focus on iReady. Tell that to Jade. Please, thank you. Okay, thank you, Chai. Thank you, Des. Salamat sa support. Oo nga. Yun na nga. School supplies na naman. Agoy. Yeah. Malapit ng school supplies. Ayan, may mamumuka na naman, Chai. MJ, hello, hello. Ayan, guys. Whatever, laban lang. Yun ang sabi dyan. Never give up.
Mom, you want a boba?
Yeah, English. Yeah, I mean, whatever problems you go through, guys, don't give up. We all have problems in life, but don't hurt yourself. Please don't hurt yourself. There's always solution for everything.
Oh, to my eye, hold tight.
Yeah, right? There's always solution, but you don't give up on life. Isipin nyo yung mga iiwan ninyo. That's like, wag tayo maging selfish. Once we have kids, we have parents, hindi na natin sarili ang ating buhay. I mean, even me, kahit may trabaho ako, ito napakakandahirap pa rin kumayod. Read your book, please. Jade, iReady? English, my friend. iReady? Yeah. Check the time, how much hours you're gonna spend in your iReady. Yeah, please take care of yourself. Thanks for subscribing.
Okay, want boba?
Okay.
Give me that. Take it, Mom.
Thanks to God. Ayan. Pag may mga anak na tayo, we don't own ourselves. Nicole, mega. Hello, hello. It's so hard.
What is that? Oh! A bean. Oh! You hot it. Hot. Water. Mama. Ay, the chocolate. Okay? What the hell? John, body chart, not take the head. Did it eat it? That's what they had.
Hello, Isa. Hi.
What